Hi there, in this tutorial we go back to our library components, specifically the file input component. We have updated the source code example to include the actual file upload. The selected files will be uploaded to the assets folder of our project. To demonstrate, we are using files from the PC download folder. B4A is a rad tool to create Android apps from anywhere software, whilst booklets is learner material for B4X tools. One of the interesting developments is the upload button that shows a progress during upload. To create this, we used a div, inside it a button, inside that button an icon in a file input component. Also we put a progress circular. To add this to our root component, we call add file input image. We trap the click event of the button and also the change event of the file. These are linked to the given name. To fire the click event on a hidden file input, the router view should have a ref name. We specify this on our abstract designer. We then tell our library the name of the master router view. This will help us get the refs inside our app from any root component. We loaded the layout we created via the abstract designer. Inside that layout, we add the Google-like image upload button. We need to trap both the click and change events linked to this component. The click event will be for the button. This should also fire the click event in the hidden file component. That will fire a change event. Inside that change event we upload our files. Using the router view, we get access to our refs. We then execute click in the file input using its name. The change event is fired for the file input. From then onwards we execute the code to upload the files and show the respective snack bars. From this we can also get the file name, file size, file date, etc.